The ongoing conflict in West Asia has taken a deeply traumatic turn, as many Indian nationals have lost their lives in Riyadh. Welcome to Times XP's War Report, and with this incident, the number of Indian casualties have risen to 6. Yes, while one more person remains missing, adding the growing anxiety among families and officials back in India. The confirmation came from the Embassy of India in Saudi Arabia, which expressed its condolences and assured that it is working very closely with the victim's family and local authorities. This incident it took place on March 18 during a period of heightened regional tension, underlining a harsh reality that this conflict is no longer confined to military zone. It is now impacting civilians, workers, and many of whom are very far away from their homes, simply trying to earn a living. Behind every number is a human story. Indian workers in the Gulf, they often support entire families back home. Now, for many, these jobs are their lifelines. And now families are left dealing with sudden loss, uncertainty, and fear. Now, for the families of the missing Indian nationals, the wait is even more painful, right? Hoping for answers, any sign of safety, any update that could give them some sort of relief. The situation also puts a spotlight on large Indian diaspora in the Gulf region, specifically in countries like Saudi Arabia where millions of Indians live and work. From construction site to offices, hospitals to home, Indians are deeply integrated into the region's economy. As tensions rise, their safety has become top priority for New Delhi. Authorities are closely monitoring the whole situation, and Indian missions across the West Asia they are on high alert, ready to step in with assistance, advisories, and emergency support. Also, there are growing concern about possible evacuation plan if the situation worsens. In the past crisis too, India has carried out large-scale evacuation mission to bring their citizens back home. While there is no official evacuation that has been announced yet, but there is contingency planning that is there, considering how quickly the situation is now evolving. Now, beyond the human cost, the crisis is also affecting travel routes, job security, daily life for Indians in the region. Flights may face disruption, workplace may shut down temporarily, and movements could become restricted in this high risk area. Families in India are now constantly checking news updates, trying to stay informed about the safety of their loved ones abroad. In fact, at a broader level, ladies and gentlemen, this tragedy reflects how West Asia conflict is becoming increasingly global in impact. It is no longer just about countries at war. It is the people from all around the globe who are caught in the middle of rising oil prices, economic uncertainty, and now civilian casualties. They are all part of ripple effect.